guys? Welcome to an unboxing video. I got here the 24-inch Imac M1 chip, brand new desktop computer by Apple. And as you can see by putting my head right next to it, the box is huge. Now, don't get that mistaken, the computer is super tiny, thin wise, but it's supposed to be 3 times better than the previous one, the even bigger one, which the only way that's able to happen is because of Apple's new silicon Intel chip. It's not the Intel chip, it's now the M1 chip. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, and then you guys are gonna see me set it up. As a matter of fact, it's gonna be a complete new setup for me because I'm changing basically how I had my previous setup. It was fine, but recently I just started working from home, so I needed a little something to change, with something with more power. So I traded that in, and now here we go. Let's open this right up. Okay, so we just opened it up. It comes with the USB Type-C Thunderbolt. The power, which is actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. And the other part of the power, so it's a 2-piece. Comes with the Magic Keyboard. This is the base model, so it doesn't come with the fingerprint. It just comes with the regular one, which is fine. Comes with this bad boy, the mouse, the Magic Mouse. Oof, I wanna take care of this right there. And it's perfect because I have a white table and it's silver. Now the reason that I got the MacBook instead of like a other computer is because I'm part of the Apple ecosystem. I have the Apple Watch, I have the AirPods, I have even the credit card. If they were to come out with an Apple car, I mean, I wouldn't doubt it. But I'm very happy with my Apple ecosystem, and well, it just adds everything onto it. So for me, this is gonna be just fine, perfectly fine. Now I want to start setting it up, adding some of the connections so that you guys can see how it's connected and you guys can see it power on and everything. All right, let's go. This is a magnet, so it should just whoa, that's a strong magnet. Listen. That's it. Whoa. guys, so it's the next day now, and I've had a little bit of time to edit everything, set things up, add in Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, and I was testing them out, as well as looking at the videos that I get from YouTube. Back in my computer, I was only able to look at 1080, 30 frames, like good, but now that I'm actually having a 4.5K Retina display, it looks way better. It's completely different from my old setup. This is like, I feel like I was working with a potato before. Now this is way smoother, and I'm honestly really happy with my purchase. So now, the whole thing is that what you're watching right now is going to be edited on that video. Now the whole reason for me to upgrade was mainly because of efficiency, proficiency, everything that was having to do with editing the videos, the Lightroom, Photoshop, all that stuff. It was becoming a hassle. So now I am using this, and I'm finding myself enjoying it. It's so smooth, so buttery smooth, and honestly, I couldn't be happier with my purchase. Now, what I've been seeing other videos online, like Marcus Brownlee or Ali Abdal. I've seen all of their videos on the M1 Imac. So now, my take on this is that, well, it's a great product, and honestly, the best if for anybody who's never had an iMac before and someone who's trying to get into this. Hey, this is great to have. With that, guys, that is my thoughts and the unboxing of this product. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and with that, I'll see you in the next video.